What's up, guys? It's JJ Camps, and today I have a video. It's gonna be just how much I've spent on my car to get it looking like this. But I'm not gonna do it here. I'm actually gonna do it somewhere else. Just have a cool background and take some pictures and stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. And this is not like a flex or anything. I'm just try to give people who want, like, cause a lot of people be DMing me saying like, oh, where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? How much it cost you for your rep? How much it cost you for this? How much for that? So this is gonna be the video for everything, you know. So I'm gonna try to link everything I can in the description. And yeah, just if you guys have any more questions, in case I didn't answer anything, just comment down below. I'll try to help you. If not, go on my Instagram, DM me, JJCamps_. I'd love to help y'all. Like every day I be getting questions from people, and yeah, bro, like I'm here to help, you know, all love. And a lot of people help me and stuff, you know, so just try to get back. And yeah, let's go wash it and go to where I'm gonna go. All right, so I'll see y'all there in a little bit. Later. To get my car looking like this, so I have a before picture. I'll throw it up on the screen right now. Boom, this is how it looks like now. So I'm just gonna give you guys like prices and how much I've spent on this car to get it looking like how it looks, how it does right now. Oh, there's people here. Yeah, it's like a Saturday afternoon, and it's a lot of people here taking pictures and shit. So give me a sec. To help y'all, I'm here to help everybody, you know. So this is everything. Y'all can pause it. Yeah, this is how much I paid for my car. Boom, how it looks like right now. This is how much it is, and then I'll try. If I'm not lazy, I'll try to put all this in the description so y'all can go get it yourself. I'm not sponsored. I'm not doing that. I paid everything with my own money, working. Here's y'all list, and I'll try to do it in this order. Everything I can find that's online and shit. If not, then y'all can find some yourself, you know. So yep, here's how much I spent. And yeah, let's continue with the video, man. Let's go. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So let's start off with the wrap. The wrap, I paid $550, like around, for the satin dark gray 3M 1080 satin dark gray wrap. And I wrapped it myself. You probably, if you wrapped it like with a professional, like a shop, they'd probably cost you like $3,000. So just add to the end. If not, you could do it yourself. It's not that hard. $500, $550. And then I got like a satin dark, just satin black roof and hood. That's an extra like $50. And then next are my headlights I got from RGV Shelby. I love them. Nothing. It actually had some condensation buildup, as you guys see on the other video, but actually fixed it. It was actually my fault. It wasn't the lights. The lights were perfect. It was actually my fault. I installed them wrong, but yeah. Say less. Alright, cool. So next expensive thing I paid, I think the most expensive thing I got in the car, the rims and tires and the tire lettering. So the rims and tires I got the rims on eBay for like not a lot of shit. The rims and tires, I got them for like $1,900. I got the rims on eBay for like $900, and then I got the tires from like a shop for like another $900. And yeah. Oh shit! There's a fucking hole here. I'm gonna say shit. There's a hole right here. So yeah, oh my bad. I got the spoiler on eBay for like $100. I'm gonna keep it. Spoiler. Got it, this spoiler. The Z28 replica. I got it for $120 on eBay. The wicker bill. You could get it from ZL1 add-ons for like $140, $150. Or like if you're in LA or SoCal, I went to a shop called Morales Customs, and they installed it for me, and I didn't have the rib nut gun or anything, so they just did it for me, so I didn't want to do that. So and then they also do tire lettering. That's where I did my tire lettering too. Like they sanded it and then they did that for me. So yeah. Cage. They go for like 300, like on eBay, Amazon, Icon Motorsport. I actually got mine for 100 because some guy he what did he fucking do? He crashed. He crashed and he was getting rid of all his parts. I got it for the low, so I got it for 100. Okay, next I got are these taillights. I got them for $3.99. I got these from Fast Tech Performance. They were $3.99. I installed them myself, and they're still working great. I had them for like over a year, almost, I think over a year, yeah. But yeah, I love these. Love them more than the stock ones. The next thing I got from another car that didn't want it, I got on offer. It was the rear diffuser. I got it for $250. They go for like $400, I think, on eBay, but the guy didn't want it, so I got the rear diffusers, the Z28 like replica, and yeah, I love it. Really changed up the rear end and put a quad exhaust, and I love this, man. So yeah. All right, cool. Speaking of the bumper, the exhaust, I paid roughly around $220 because I paid like $60 on Amazon for the pipes for the dual exhaust, and then on the bottom I have shit. Where is it? I can't really see it. It's where the resonators were at. I have my X pipe right there, and then a muffler delete. So yeah. So as you guys can, I don't know if you guys can see, but like right there, that's the X pipe, then the muffler delete, and this. So that cost me around $220. Yeah, $220. Alright, cool. So also in the back, I got this brake light. I got it from Fast Tech. It was my last video. It was my last video. I got it for $100, $99.99. And yeah, that was $100 right there. So add that to the list. I'll try to put like a number every time I say a number here, so you guys can keep up. If not, just take my word for it. I know how much I paid for this. Pretty much it. I wasted $6,000 or a little over $6,000 on this car. I don't regret anything. Nah, I don't. Fuck that. I don't regret anything. Maybe something I would have done better. Probably actually bought a real hood, but that's gonna be later on. Hopefully when tax season comes, maybe get a real carbon fiber hood. If not, just keep it like this how it is and keep it like this for a while. And yeah, that's the end of phase 3 so far. I'm gonna do a phase 4 maybe like during the year, next year. Always like switching up my stuff, you know. So I'll show you guys pictures of like my phase 1, phase 2, and this is phase 3. So I'll do the pictures right now. All right, so now moving on to the interior. As you guys can tell, it's like dark outside, but yeah, I just wanted to throw this in too because I kind of forgot about it. The steering wheel, I got it from GM website, or you could just, I'm pretty sure you can find it cheaper. It's the silver, it's the suede one, the ZL1 one. I still haven't taken that off because I'm too fucking lazy to take it off. Anyway, this is the suede steering wheel that I use. Still works great. I love it. And this went for like 200 and like change, probably like 240. And also, the next thing I got is the suede shift knob to match the suede steering wheel. I got this on eBay, I believe. I forgot. It's been a while. But I got this on eBay for like, I say like $70, and it was stupid easy to install. It took me like 2 minutes, 3, 5, 10 minutes, or whatever. It was like really fast. I love it. Changed it up. But yeah, that was $10. Not $10, fuck. It was $70, my bad. $70 for that. Like $50 for this. And yeah. And then like also I wrapped like some of the interior pieces carbon fiber. But this was like honestly like years ago. So like I wrapped that piece. Probably got the wrap for like $20. And yeah. Alright, and then the last thing I did to the interior, as you guys can tell, I got these like floor lights LED. I honestly got them from Amazon for like $15. And honestly, like, yeah, I don't really use them a lot because all these wires get in the way, and I don't know where to hide them at, but yeah, I like them because like they can change colors and shit. So hold on, I'll try to change the colors right now. So like the remote has like different features, like you could like slowly change the colors, like it's like at a blue, then like to a purple, and then to like a pink, and then red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then it goes back to blue. And I love it, guys. It's crazy, man. So I'll try to do it faster right now. Or if y'all want to have fucking seizures when you drive, you can put this shit on stupid high. But I low-key like the light blue one that matches like the interior. I'll put that one on right now. Hold up. And this is the one that I think was like the closest one that matches like the radio and the dash. And the little buttons right here, and then the buttons on the side. Hold on, let me try the light. There you go. Boom. Then you can see your little sandals, your chanclas, your slides, whatever y'all call them. And yeah, bro. So that's everything in the interior. I really haven't done much to the interior, just like a few things, little cosmetic things. But hopefully in the future, I'm gonna start adding some power finally to this car. Like yeah, like I should have added power in like the beginning. But I don't know. I'm not really about that power life. I'm more about like that looks life, you know. So like, I wanted my car to look stupid mean, and then start adding power after I have it like how I really want it, you know. So maybe next on my list is gonna be intake. You gotta do an intake. Well, I never done an intake. I never done any like engine mods yet to my car, so that's gonna be a cool like learning curve, and it'll be cool, you know, something different. Maybe add an intake, maybe try to find a tune, maybe like a throttle body or something, you know. I see people do some stuff to the V6 engine and they boost it up a little bit of power, and yeah, man, try to put some more power down with this car, man, because it's stupid slow. But anyway, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Appreciate all the love, and like I said, I'll try to link everything in the description if I can find it. If not, well, I found it myself. Y'all can find it yourself. Y'all grown. Y'all got, oh motherfucker, almost hit me. God damn, yeah. I gotta be careful driving, bro. Alright, guys, well, take it easy, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next video, because I'm gonna have another install about something. Alright, so see you on the next one. Alright, peace.